The process itself is relatively simple. Actually, to make the application, you can do it two ways. You can do it on the internet, or you could do it by phone. The internet, and if you want to write down this web address, you can do that. You just go to www.disasterassistance.gov, and you can fill out an online application. Now, I also recognize, based upon my experience, that a lot of times, infrastructure's down. Folks don't have actually even access to a cell phone signal just because they're still in the evacuation mode from the Dixie Fire. The other way you can actually make an application is by calling FEMA directly, and that number is 1-800-621-3362. And actually the application information is really pretty simple. You need to be prepared to give them a social security number, a description of your losses from the disaster and the approximate value, any insurance information that you may have, directions to your property, whether you're a tenant or you're actually the out-and-out owner of that property, and a telephone number where you can be contacted. Just keep in mind with respect to the application that really it's very simple with respect to the way FEMA sees this. It's really a math problem. If you have any insurance or no insurance, they just want to make sure that the value of your losses exceed the amount of insurance that you have. So don't shortchange yourself when you're actually providing that information to FEMA in the application process. Make sure you're detailed enough, and when you give that estimate of the value of your losses from the fire, that you don't lowball yourself, because then you may disqualify yourself from FEMA. One other point for FEMA too, for those folks who are fortunate enough to have insurance, sometimes because of an administrative issue or what have you, that if your insurance payments that you're entitled to are delayed by more than 30 days, FEMA may actually go ahead and provide you grant money that once you receive those insurance proceeds, that you just would have to reimburse FEMA at that point. But just because you're getting insurance, if it happens to be delayed by more than 30 days, you still may be entitled to FEMA benefits temporarily.